that you come in contact with, because the love of God has rested on your life, on your heart. So it's important that you remember to do this and avoid those who draw you away from the Lord. Verse 17, avoid them. It doesn't make it light. It doesn't say be nice, blah, blah. It says avoid them. And this is a command. Like he's telling you, if you got people in your home, your family life, pray for them for sure, right? Pray for them, but separate yourself. Avoid them. Don't let them pull you back into their same mentality, right? You know you've been freed. You know you've been changed. You know you've been born again. You know God has helped you overcome terrible things. Things that are maybe not terrible, but you know you're convicted by the Spirit that, man, I've been wrong here and I need the forgiveness of God. Because you know this, don't allow them to pull you back in. You need to avoid. And as Travis says, dust off your sandals. Dust it off. Keep on moving. Forgiveness needs to be, it's required, right? God's not going to forgive you if you don't forgive others. We need to forgive people who have done things to try to pull us away from our faith in God. But you need to also remember that you need to avoid them. Avoid foolish trippings. It says, as it says, we're going to go forward because it says the rest. It says, avoid them. For such persons do not serve our Lord Christ, but their own appetite. It calls it out. Okay, if you're searching for fresh tools and instruction to deepen your relationship with God, this is definitely the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe and click the notifications bell for all of our videos. I want to thank you in advance for your subscription and look forward to having some good time and communication with you. Have a good one.